Welcome back everyone, Kirby's Return to Dreamland. Last time we took on the boss of all the planet Popstar, completing it until Landia decided to show its face, and the four-headed dragon himself, Landia, which obviously, he shot down our ship once again! Look where we are now! So guys, we're now going to level 6, which is egg engines. But before we begin, do me a favor and leave a like on this video, and I'll mean so much. It's time to get this over with, just so we can do this. Now there are 8 areas, but 7 of them are right now. So anyway guys, let's get started. I'm excited for this. Very excited for this. I love this. Like that was, oh, this is awesome. And I'm sorry for the long video that was the previous video. I apologize about that last part. I didn't know it'd be that long, but considering that it was a long world, and this world might even be longer, who knows? Oh, I know what we need. Hello there! Run! Perfect! There we go. So here's out. This is nothing. Really? So I had to scream straight in your face. It's like, hiya! Or whatever that, you know. I don't know why. It's like you scream right in their ears with that microphone, which you basically are. So. You're not saying that. You know that's it. Anyways, guys, we're going to the next area. We're going to the next whatever. Oh, they'll still fall. I didn't know they fell. I didn't know they'd still fall. Dude, okay, if you really want to know what this does, it's called sleep. And it was one of those guys that had those hats on as well. Those little people. Yeah, and when you see them lying around, it's just a stupid power up. It's really, it's not even cool. It's one of the worst power-ups to get, and yes, you run into this a lot in the stage. So if I rage, it's because of that. Hopefully I don't. I don't want to rage any more than I already have. So I barely have in this LP, so not scripted. It's so good. Did we miss a single one? I'm pretty sure. I feel like we missed past one of those energy spheres. And then again, we might not have. But I hate this part so much. Perfect. Well, this better be the one. Well, this is one, but. Okay, I see how you're gonna play this. I know what you're trying. I know what you have to do. Perfect. Tell me this is the first one. It better be. It is perfect. Perfecto. Woohoo! First one. I actually want to be very careful. Perfect. We did it. For this part, very hard. Oh, good. Perfect, there we go. Oh, it's just for a 1-up. But let's go see what that might be the energy sphere down here. It's not. But it was worth. Did I enter this door? Okay, so this was the one I entered. Okay. I didn't know that was the one I entered. I didn't know exactly. Okay, well, that's cool. There might be an ultra power up, believe it or not. There is, because you see stars on the enemies. I think we know what it is, though. Because when there's some of those little lighters like the bombs have, you basically know what it's gonna be. Okay, so let's go. Oh, I caught you guys just in time. Wow, well, this is quite nice. Wow, I missed you. I missed 3 of you. Oh, well, that sucked. Let me guess. You caused one of those portals, don't you? I mean, it kind of has to, considering without the exit's right there, the end of the stage. So yeah, it kind of had to be. But anyways, hopefully we don't die that many times this time. Last time I did terrible. Because it was like, so I did so terrible, it wasn't even funny. It wasn't even funny one bit. I was not laughing. I was in rage. I was literally raging. But you guys didn't know that because, you know, because I had to cut, obviously, as you guys noticed, which, yeah, I'm dead. I'm so dead. Maybe not. Hey, I need that. I need food. Oh, fudge. I need food, man. I need that food. I need food. I need food. Oh, good. But still, do you really? I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna regret it. I'm obviously dead. Not. I did not die. That is actually very shocking. Because normally I always die very quickly. When I have like I thought this map isn't that weak, honestly. It's actually pretty strong, depending on what ending you're taking on. But yeah, it all depends on what boss you're basically fighting. Because that's why they give you selections of items. Because sometimes it'll take you a while to take them on, but it's honestly not that bad, honestly. So that was stage number 1, guys, and then we're gonna go ahead and move on to stage number 2. And then yes, there are obviously 5 stages, as we already found out, but that's alright. So then now there are 4 energy spheres. So what now? Also this does actually kill enemies, so make sure you do left and right repeatedly, so you actually have that shield around you. Is this what I think it is? I think it is. Must be. It must be for sure. It isn't. Maybe it is. It kind of beats me though. Okay, that's a bad idea. I should have took water. Now I'm basically screwed at this point. Hold on. I will not stand for this. I'm going to grab water. I will not this time. I'm going to grab water. This time, nothing to screw this up. Actually, no, I think I actually needed ice. Or parasol, it doesn't really matter what. You just need one that can get rid of fire. Well, that's it. So since water's up ahead, we're gonna go grab that. Nice. I'm actually. Okay, so we basically killed the stone. So we basically killed stone, which I think we might have needed. Probably did. Oh, I do still remember this. Oh my gosh, I do. I remember so much of this. I remember one of these required a hammer or something like that. Yeah, it did. So basically, Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I have a plan. I'm gonna see you all in this area. I'm gonna see you all once I'm in this area again, because I'm actually gonna go find a copy ability in the Star Cutter, lower Star Cutter. I'll see you then, guys. Okay, guys. So I have the stone power up now. Actually, yeah. So now that I have that, you want to make sure you don't lose it, because you need this in order to do it. Because underwater, under the water, there is you saw the metal stuff, right? The metal stuff. Make sure you don't get hit by these, because spikes automatically get rid of your item, get rid of your copy abilities. So be careful. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be careful. So if I lose it, well, I'm basically gonna be very annoyed. So let's not annoy Alex. We don't want to do that. No, we don't. Not at all. You don't want to annoy Alex. No, you don't. So as you guys see those two metal things where the energy sphere is? Well, you need to turn yourself into stone in order to do that. So with that being said, do this, stone, and boom. Here we go. Energy sphere number 2. It honestly doesn't matter as long as you have the power up. You can lose that whatever you want now. I mean, you only need it for that energy sphere. I think, hopefully. That was a bad idea. I'm pretty sure we know without there's a boss in the head. Or is he dead? He's not dead yet. I'm actually very shocked about that. It doesn't matter because I thought you died. Well, now you're dead. Hello there. Can I kill myself now? I seriously, I am not going through this again. One of those held energy spheres. I know that for sure because I remember this. Guys, you know what? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna see you all once I have all the energy spheres back to normal because it's freaking ridiculous. See you then, guys. Guys, I did it! Okay, so you're supposed to hit the third one. You're supposed to hit the final one, and that's what I didn't hit last time. So we grabbed the third one. Perfecto! We did it finally! I couldn't handle it any longer. It took me like 5 tries to do. I legit had to kill myself just because I messed it up as well. Messed it up a few times. I had to kill myself for that. Do you not know how it feels to do that? It's so annoying. Oh, blah! I'm not so happy right now. I had to deal with all of the stupidity that I've ran into multiple times. But anyways, we finally completed the goal. Gosh. Or we made to the goal, whichever, doesn't matter, honestly. So now we finished stage 2, we only have 3 more left to go until the boss. Oh my god. I don't like this area. Okay, so stage number 3. We unlocked the wind challenge. Ooh boy. Oh, well, that might not be so bad of a challenge. Anyway, there are 4 of these here. Wait a minute! You have got to be freaking kidding me. I feel like I missed one. And basically this whole entire stage is speeding, is a movement stage. Do you think I like that? I do not. Thank you! Oh my, don't tell me it's second. It is the first one. Sweet! Tell me it's all over. Thank you very much. Boss time? Excuse me, 2? So that's a little too much, don't you think? I think it is a little too much. I'll take you, but I feel like I might have needed beam. I really don't know. Oh, I totally needed this one. Whatever counts, whichever counts. Or whatever I need, that is. Oh, it's here! Oh my gosh, I can't believe I almost missed that. 2 more left. Oh, we know what this is. It's obviously an ultra power up. It is flare beam. Perfect. And now I don't have to worry about all this other stuff. Okay, let's go. Thank you very much. I need that, and I need some food as well. One more final area, and then it's all over. There we go, guys. We did it. And now is our sweet... Oh, maybe not? Yeah, our sweet portal. Oh. Okay, here we go, guys. Let's go. And it can't go through the and it can't go through the water, which makes stuff even better. But I mean by I mean these little cannons can't go underwater. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, sorry, I was trying to focus there. We're gonna use this because this is very strong. See, look. When it comes over here, you're not even gonna see what happens. See, look. Look at all that damage I just took out of that man. That only took like 3 hits and he was all dead. So there we go, guys. We collected all the energy spheres, and that's nice because that's all we need. All we're looking for is energy spheres. That's all we need. And then once we do that, you know, we have all of them, and that's good. So yeah. Anyways, there's the exit. Here's our goal game. I'm not gonna bother doing these mini games because not really, you don't really need it. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't give you anything exactly. So that's stage 4. This one has 5. Is this stage number 5? I'm gonna guess so. Anyways, here we go. Okay then. Man, back off. Sheesh, man, back off. There's Hammer. There's our first energy sphere. At least I'm so glad it was. I mean, I don't really think we could have passed by it. I mean, it didn't seem possible. Or it doesn't. Well, let's see here. Well, here's another exit. Well, this might lead us to number 2. Depending on how great I am at this. It did! Sweet. Well, that's all we need, basically. I'm gonna keep this. It's boss time. Or mini boss time, that's like that. Nope. I think I should actually take it though. Hold on. Come on, seriously? Come on, I'm pretty sure that might be the 3rd one, so I'm gonna make sure that I do this right. It is indeed, I kind of guessed it too. Because I wouldn't have expected that, like, I'm pretty sure there might be an ultra power up now. But I wouldn't have assumed that that would be bad. So I'm gonna. It's one of these stupid maze things. I know what I'm looking for. Wait a minute. Get out of my mouth! I need what I'm looking for. Thank you very much. Jeez. Sure, I'm running low on HP, but that's alright. We only have one more to go. And it can't be that hard to grab the last one. So. Well, at least I sure hope not. Just don't do it. Yeah, don't do it. Not at all. I won't stand for it. So where is that last one? Oh, speak of it. Oh man! Well, we need a key, and I don't know. Oh, hello there. And that's that. We did it, guys. Here we go. Boy, we did it. I'm so glad. Oh my gosh, that is insane, first off. Second off, we're almost done. That's good. So, was it stage 3? Stage 4. So now we have one more to go. Hopefully. Yeah, so see, it's right there. So that has another 5. Are you kidding me? I'm concerned with that, guys. I apparently pressed one of the wrong buttons on my controller. I pressed the middle button of my controller, and I didn't mean to. So if you guys saw something on one of the screens, I apologize. It was just something I did wrong by an accident. But I can tell you, we're almost done with this area. You can't just... Oh my gosh. I don't know why I could have just sped through that. See, I need to do that. You just died. So thanks very much. So. Okay, it's just for one up. Oh, it's one of these. Yo, this stage is pretty easy. Okay, I remember this. Now you have to be very quick in order to grab the energy sphere. Because these energy spheres, oh yeah. They don't, you can't get them back. You can't get them back is what I'm trying to say. So you have to be very careful. It's right here. Stay here. Oh, never mind. But still, stay right here, and you will grab the first energy sphere. Wow. Okay, you didn't have to kill yourself, you know. I feel like I might need this. So that's why I took it. I'm kind of freaked out a little bit. Okay, that was too simple. So there's number 2. I think the last 2 are in the area where you have to go, where you have to be quick. Oh no, sorry, that's right now. So I remember that. Yeah, you had to be very quick. And that's that. I mean, it's not really all of them, but it's like part of the last ones. Okay then. Well, we're doing quite well. I got to say that. Let me guess. This is number 5 or number 4? Tell me it's number 4, please. It is, which is a good thing because that's what we need. You guys ready? This is the final. Oh yeah. It's one of these stacks now. He died very quickly. We only got 1 more to go! Just 1 more! I feel like it's one of these. There it is! Did it. Kinda guess so. So there we go, guys. We actually did it! Oh my goodness. I really do remember this. And that was very easy, wasn't it? Yeah, that was very easy. Pause the video. You kidding me? It's 50 minutes! That is insanity right there. But I'm sorry, guys. Right now it's 50 minutes. But it might not be for you guys as this boss. But it might be different for you guys because I have some editing to do, and you're watching this when it's already been edited, as I already said in the last video. So basically, yeah, I edit this, and that's when I say it's like 50 minutes. It might be less or more for you guys, because just due to, like, you know, me having not or have edited, but I always do. So I remember this guy. This guy was someone named Metal General. Yeah, I think that's his name. And this guy is actually he's a very simple boss. Depending on if you know what you're doing. But this boss does get is pretty simple to take on. So we're basically low on HP. So when he's on his rocket, you basically all you have to do is avoid him. So, yeah, avoid him right now, and then when you see him in the air, okay, so basically he's gonna take damage from him, and then right now avoid him as he's gonna be right there, so avoid his rocket. beat him. That's all that matters. So there we go, guys. Wait, is it all over? Wait a minute. Did he seriously do it? Okay, sorry. I forgot that. I thought there were like 2 phases, but I might be thinking of someone else in the future. Welcome back, Kirby. From here is just a hop, skip, and a jump to Landia's mountain lair. That fearsome dragon lives at the far edge of Halcondra, on the very peak of a volcano, surrounded by intense flames. The road from here gets a little bit rougher, but I'm sure you'll be just fine. Just hurry up and smash that dragon to smithereens. Okay, guys, so the next part, we're gonna go ahead and take on the next area, which is my Mario Masters. We're gonna go take a look, shall we? This is called a dangerous dinner. So this one has a total of 15. It's very less than it used to be, but there are a total of 3 stages. That won't take too long. But then again, the next video will be the final time. I have a feeling of. Actually, no, it won't be, because it won't be, because actually something does happen at the end. But yeah. So guys, if you want to see more Nintendo content, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Next time we're gonna go take on the final area. Basically, yeah. Peace out, my Mario Masters.